Hello my people, how una dey? Welcome to Fact News TV from Paris, the city of love. I still be your boy, King David. We're going to bring on all the ogbonge news we get for today. But before we start, I beg, we're going to do something for us. We're going to help us subscribe by clicking on that red subscription button. Click on that bell for notification. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know your opinion. Thank you so much. Now, let's move on. So my people, another one don't happen again. They say Methodist Church for England, UK, they don't accept same-sex marriage, that is gay marriage. Says Methodist Church don't accept them. So according to the news where they bring come our table, they say the last conference where they get, where their president will be Barbara Glasson, where she be the president of the conference. So they said after a long argument for the conference, they come vote. Same whether they make them know which people will they agree and which people will not agree. So for this vote, they say they did 295 people will vote, and after the vote, 248 vote for gay marriage, and only 47 vote against. Make una see church don't come again. This now Methodist Church for England. They see. So now they don't talk say. This woman say this vote where they vote now, they will now send them to the whole world, all their headquarters for the whole world. May they start to the accept them, because soon the whole Methodist Church go there like a doctrine inside the church. Say gay marriage is accepted. And if you carry lesbian, gay, homosexual, make you come marry, no problem for their church. My people, what do you not think for this issue now? But my question now, where they ask now, be say as we will be Niger, will Methodist Church Nigeria accept this as a doctrine into the church? Because this one is about church, this is not about country. And in our country, our constitution is against this gayism. And I see our constitution no accept them, and we, the whole Nigeria, will not accept them. So I don't know how Methodist Church Nigeria go do, whether they go accept them or they no go accept them. Make una tell us what una think for this matter. Make we move to the next news. Thank you. So my people, now don't see as America, US, will be with Donald Trump. It don't start the deportation of immigrants. Now they see. So now he say since they hold on, but now he don't order this squad, whether they call Ice Raid Squad. Say make them start work since Sunday now. Now so they carry people. They send back to their country. If you no get your paper for US now, or if you get issue where about your paper, where still day for court, say no send you, go carry you, go back your country. Make I show now one of the man where they carry they go. He say you know they will go, but they force him, put them for plane. Make I show now the video for there.
You got off me. Why you want me to sit down? Can you get off me? Can you get off my stomach?
Are you going to sit down?
Can you get off me? Can you get off me?
Once you tell me you're going
Why you don't get off me?
because you're not agreeing.
Why?
When I see, as the man, a matured man, they cry because they say this man in family and children, they there. But him, he get problem with him paper. He never gets paper to stay for US. So now they deport him. So US, since don't take since where they talk this now, they don't come out serious. Now this president now will be Donald Trump. You know they play. So they say everybody, if you no get your paper, if you get issues, if you come enter US illegally, say make you pack your load, they go back. People don't they run hater skater, they don't know what thing they go do again. And some people they blame them. But for me, I know they blame these people because this is what country decide to do. If you no get paper, if you no get paper, normally you're not supposed to enter a country illegally. That is the first thing. You understand? And they tell my people where be Nigeria and other African countries. If you know suppose enter a country illegally. And secondly, if you finally find yourself in a country, make you try, my people, make you get papers. It's very, very important. Very, very, I advise you now, make you try get your paper. It's very, very important. This is not only Donald Trump. During President Bush deported about 2 million people during his tenure. President Obama deported over 3 million people. But as this man, because this Donald Trump, he's a noisemaker, so his own is so loud. That's why it's becoming an issue in the whole US. But all these other presidents, they did it, but quietly, secretly, and nobody knew. They were sending people back home with issues of problems of paper. Una dey see. So my people, I dey advise on anywhere where you dey. If you no get paper, try. It's very important. Now it make some people they dey abroad 10 years, 20 years, they no fit go home. Some people they think say, oh, now money they hold. They no be money. So most of our people now, this paper thing, that is authorization to stay in the country. So if you no get that, my people, try to get it. It's very, very important. I'd advise on. Make una thank you. Make una no dey too blame them, because this is what the country they have decided. We too, Nigeria. Una no forget during Shagari Duam to Ghana people where that bag come out, they call them Ghana must go. Nigeria did it. They send people go back home. So this is decision of the country. It's not that he's racist. It's not about racism or he's very bad or wicked. But this is what country they've decided to do, and we don't have any option than to follow what they have decided to do. You understand? Thank you so much. Now let's move to the next news. So my people, now don't hear say ECOWAS don't adopt new money. What they call ECO. Now don't hear ECOWAS na Economic Community of West African States. All the states all the countries where they for West Africa, they are like 15 countries. They don't agree and they don't sign. Most all their presidents don't come together, sign for their last meeting where they get for Abuja. So all the presidents of these West African countries, they come and all of them don't sign. They say by 2020, January 2020, this money go come out. So all these countries, even us, our Naira, Ghana cedis, all these West African countries, their money go. Now this ECO money now, everybody go they use for this country. So make I show now the video for there.
Leaders of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, have adopted a new currency called ECO to be used in the region by 2020. The announcement was made on Saturday at the end of the ECOWAS meeting that took place in Abuja, Nigeria. The countries that plan to adopt this currency are Benin, Burkina Faso, Cape Verde, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Liberia, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Senegal, Sierra Leone, and Togo. Together, they have a population of about 385 million people. 6 member countries, including Nigeria, Liberia, and Ghana, will have to swap their currencies for the new currency called ECO, while Guinea, Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, Senegal, and Guinea-Bissau will have to abandon the CFA francs and adopt the new currency as well.
So now see, so now with today's exchange rate, they say 100 euros is equal to 40-something thousand naira for now. But then I say if this money by January, this money starts now, 100 euro go dey equals to 74,000 naira. You know go be naira again, it go be ECO. When I see, so the money go increase, the value go decrease, but the money, the cash go increase. So now people come they talk. Some people come they talk say this thing good. Some people they talk say it good. Some people they talk say it go affect our economy. So this is part of the plans to make Africa more integrated continent. Una dey see, so make we dey close and make it dey very easy to do business and to move around this West African country to do whatever you want to do, just like the Europeans are. In Europe, everybody's using euro. So anywhere you go, it's very easy. You don't need to change money again. You just use your money directly. If you want to invest in any of these countries, you can invest directly. You don't have any problem. So some people say it's very good and some people say it's not good. So what do you think, my people, for this matter? Let's move to the next news. So my people, we get one bad news wey come reach our table now where I want tell una. So they say one final year student of electrical engineering for Crutech Calabar for Cross River State say they don't shoot him. They kill the boy for where he write first semester exam. They say na court boys come shoot him 3 times. He fall down, then they gonna use us. Cut all in head, open in head, come out. You understand? So they say this boy be the right in first semester final year, 5 years of study in first semester exam where they write for their old engineering block for Crutech. Crutech na Cross River State School of University of Technology. You understand? Now there Calabar. Now there the thing happen. Make I show now some of the pictures of the guy for there. As we advise on all the time, our guys, make una dey take time. This thing wey they call courtism, e no get any benefit. I don tell people for one of our editions, e no get any much benefit. Una dey see, no meat for fish head. Say no to courtism, my people. All these university guys, una go university, make una go study, no be to go and enter court, come dey kill each other. You understand? Our parents see now 5 years wasted and gone. All the money, everything where the parents don't put inside this guy now, everything is gone. Look at the result of it. Make una please, at the beg una, this our university people, our university students, make una please help us. They avoid being in court. Make una they go church, they pray to God, they read una book, pass your exam, and get a good job and be useful to the society tomorrow. I beg. Thank you now so much. Now here we go end for today's edition. I want to thank all of you who don't watch our video. I want to thank all of you now too who don't subscribe to our channel, and also the ones who never subscribe. I beg, make una subscribe, hit that red subscription button, hit the bell for notification, give us a thumbs up. Let us know your opinion in all the matter we don't talk about now. Thank you so much. And now also I want to use the opportunity to thank my people behind the camera in the name of Sagid Entertainment and Nes Royal One France. We are all saying thank you so much. God bless you. See you soon. Bye.